Hi everyone, in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to turn off airplane mode on Windows 10. Simply guys, we have two methods. The first one is the easiest one. In the right button corner here, select or click in this icon. Okay, as you can see we have a icon named airplane mode. Click here. Okay, as you can see now it's blue, that's mean now it's off. All Wi-Fi connection or Bluetooth or any network connection now will be disabled. Okay guys, to turn on again, same issue, click again and the blue color will be disappeared. Okay guys, the second method, go and click in the start menu. As you can see in the left corner, go to settings, network and internet. In the left pane, airplane mode, as you can see here, click here. Okay, we have airplane mode. Turn this on to stop all wireless communications such as Wi-Fi, cellular and Bluetooth. Okay, turn on. As you can see now it's on. That's it guys. To turn off again, same, turn off. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.